Am I audible, visible? Let me know through the chat box. Write in the chat box whether I'm audible, visible. Satya, Subhasri, Simran. Yes. Okay. Today we'll start a new topic, that is relation and function. Before going to relation, we should know what is Cartesian product of two sets. The name of the chapter is Cartesian product and relation. So write down Cartesian product of sets. So let A and B be two sets the Cartesian product of A and B is denoted by A cross B, which is defined by A cross B is the set of all possible XY ordered pair such that X belongs to A, comma Y belongs to B. That means the Cartesian product of two sets A and B contains all possible ordered pairs whose first component belongs to the set A and second component belongs to the set B. Okay. In an ordered pair, the element written in the left-hand side is known as the first component, and the element written in the right-hand side is known as the second component. So let's come to an example. Let A be the set having the elements alpha, beta, gamma, and B be the set containing the elements 1, 2. Okay. Then what will be A cross B? A cross B, the set of all possible ordered pairs whose first component belongs to set A and second component belongs to set B. So taking alpha as the first component, we will have some ordered pairs. So note it down. The alpha 1, alpha 2. Similarly, taking beta as the first component, we will have the ordered pairs beta 1, beta 2. And taking gamma as the first component, we will have the ordered pairs gamma 1, gamma 2. Okay. This is called Cartesian product of sets. Similarly, tell me what will be B cross A. In B cross A, the first component will be taken from set B and second component will be taken from set A. So taking 1 as the first component, we will have the ordered pairs 1 alpha, 1 beta, 1 gamma, and taking 2 as the first component, we will have the ordered pairs 2 alpha, 2 beta, and 2 gamma. Is it clear? Write in the chat box, is it clear to you? Did you understand, guys? What is Cartesian product of sets? Simran, Satya, Shubham. Okay. So write down a note point. If cardinality of set A, cardinality means number of elements. If cardinality of set A is equal to m and cardinality of set B is equal to n, then the number of elements in the set A cross B is equal to mn. That means if set A contains m number of elements, set B contains n number of elements, then the set A cross B will contain mn number of elements. Clear? This is called Cartesian product of set. Now come to relation. First of all, we should know what is a relation. Write down mathematically. A relation from set A to set B mathematically a relation from set A to set B is a subset of A cross B. Mathematically, a relation from set A to set B is a subset of A cross B. Okay. For the sake of understanding what is a relation, I'll give you 2 to 3 examples. Let us consider an example. Let A be the set containing some individuals. Dasharatha, Janak, Humayun, Pandu, and Dhritarashtra. Okay. And set B contains some individuals. Ram, Sita, Arjun, Akbar, and Duryodhan. So guys, tell me, can we define any relation from set A to set B? That means I mean to say, is there any relation between the individuals of set A and set B? Is there any relation between the individuals of set A and set B? Yes. The relation is fatherhood relation. Let us consider the relation as R. R be the relation fatherhood. Right? So by the relation fatherhood, Dasarath is related with Rama. That means Dasarath is the father of Ram. So the relation set R contains Dasarath Ram dr, Janak Sita, Humayun Akbar, Pandu Arjun, and Dhritarashtra Duryodhan. Okay. So there is a relation fatherhood from set A to set B. By the relation fatherhood, Dasarath is related to Ram, Janak related with Sita, Humayun related with Akbar, Pandu related with Arjun, and Dhritarashtra related with Duryodhan. Is there any other relationship from set A to set B? Can you say? Anybody? Is there any other relation from set A to set B? Yes, that is another relation. That is uncle-nephew relation. Let us consider that relation as R1. That relation is uncle-nephew relation. Okay. So by the relation uncle-nephew relation, Pandu is related with Duryodhan and Dhritarashtra related with Arjun. Pandu related with Duryodhan and Dhritarashtra related with Arjun. Any other relationship from set A to set B? Yes, that is father-in-law relation. Let us consider father-in-law relation as R2. Father-in-law relation. So R2 contains the ordered pairs Dasharatha Sita and Janak Ram. Dasharatha is the father-in-law of Sita and Janak is the father-in-law of Rama. Right? So far we have discussed about three relations, that is fatherhood relation, uncle-nephew relation, and father-in-law relation. Here you see set A contains 5 number of elements and set B contains 5 number of elements. So tell me how many number of elements are there in the set A cross B. So set A cross B will contain 5 into 5, that is 25 number of elements. So these 25 elements are Dasarath Ram, Dasarath Sita, Dasarath Arjun, Dasarath Akbar, Dasarath Duryodhan. Similarly, Janak Ram, Janak Sita up to Janak Duryodhan, Dhritarashtra Ram, Dhritarashtra Sita up to Dhritarashtra Duryodhan. Okay. You see, the relation fatherhood contains 5 ordered pairs. Dasarath Ram, Janak Sita, Humayun, Akbar, Pandu, Arjun, Dhritarashtra Duryodhan. All these 5 elements belong to the set A cross B. All these 5 elements are present in the set A cross B. You know, if each and every element of a set A belong to the another set B, then A is called subset of B. Here each and every element of A cross B, each and every element of the set R belong to set A cross B. Now we can say that R is a subset of A cross B. Similarly, the relation R1 contains 2 ordered pairs and these 2 ordered pairs belongs to A cross B. R1 is a subset of A cross B. R2 contains 2 ordered pairs. These 2 ordered pairs belong to set A cross B. So R2 is a subset of A cross B. Now the question is, you define any relation from set A to set B. It will contain some ordered pairs whose first component belongs to set A and second component belongs to set B. Eventually, it will be a subset of A cross B. So mathematically, if we define any relation from set A to set B, it is a subset of A cross B. Is it clear? Write in the chat box, is it clear? Hello? Right? Are you getting my voice? Okay. So mathematically, a relation from set A to set B is a subset of A cross B. If we define any relation from set A to set B, it is a subset of A cross B. Okay. A relation is nothing. It is a set and which is a subset of A cross B. Then come to total number of relations. Total number of relations. Let cardinality of set A, that means number of elements in set A is equal to m, and number of elements in set B is equal to n. Number of elements in set A is equal to m, and the number of elements in set B is equal to n. Then total number of relations from set A to set B is 2 to the power mn. Total number of relations from set A to set B is equal to 2 to the power mn. What is a relation? A relation is a subset of A cross B. So total number of relations from set A to set B is equal to total number of subsets of A cross B. Cardinality of A is equal to m, and cardinality of B is equal to n. This implies cardinality of A cross B is equal to mn. In set theory, you know, if a set contains n number of elements, then the total number of subsets of that set is 2 to the power n. Here A cross B contains mn number of elements. The total number of subsets, the set of all possible subsets of a set is known as power set. So power set of A cross B cardinality is equal to 2 to the power mn. So total number of subsets of the set A cross B is 2 to the power mn. Each and every subset of A cross B is a relation from A to B. So total number of subsets means total number of relations from set A to set B is 2 to the power mn. Is it clear? Did you understand, guys? Write in the chat box. Okay. Satya, you are from which higher secondary school? Then come to largest and smallest relation. MPC Junior Baripoda. Baripoda MPC. Largest and smallest relation. Largest and smallest relation. The largest and smallest is according to the magnitude. The relation that contains large number of elements is called the largest relation. The relation which contains lowest number of order pairs is called the smallest relation. So largest or universal relation I done. The largest or the universal relation from set A to set B is A cross B. All of you know that largest subset of a set is the set itself. So largest relation from set A to set B means largest subset of A cross B. The largest subset of A cross B is A cross B itself. So the largest relation or the universal relation from set A to set B is A cross B. And you know the smallest subset of a set is null relation or phi. So write down the smallest relation from set A to set B is phi. The smallest relation from set A to set B is phi, and the largest relation is A cross B. I hope it is clear to you. Let's move forward to the next subtopic, that is representation of a set relation. Representation of a relation. Representation means how to write a relation or how to express a relation. A relation is nothing only a set, and you know a set can be represented in two different ways, either in tabular form and set builder form. Similarly, a relation can be represented in two different ways, tabular form, set builder form. Apart from that, another form is known as diagrammatic representation of a relation. So write down a relation can be represented a relation can be represented in three different ways. The first one is tabular. The second one is set builder. The third one is diagrammatic. First one is tabular. Second one is set builder. Third one is diagrammatic. Okay. First come to tabular method. All of you know how to write a set in a tabular form. In tabular method, each and every element of the set should be written within a pair of curly brackets, and each element is separated from the other by comma sign. So come to an example. Suppose it is better to take the first example. That is Dasarath Ram, Janak Sita, Humayun Akbar, Pando Arjun, and Dhritarashtra Duryodhan. Okay. So this method of representing a set is known as tabular form. This is tabular form. All the elements are written within the pair of curly bracket, and each element is separated from the other by comma sign. So this set can be represented in another form known as the set builder form. All of you know, in set builder form, instead of writing all the elements, we should write a law or formula, which is otherwise known as defining property of the elements within a pair of curly brackets, right? R is the set of all XY order pair such that what is the relation between the left component and right component of the order pairs? Those belong to the relation set R. The left component is the father of the right component. We have taken the left component as X and the right component as Y. So, sir, bujhi heuni. So, what's your name, Realme? What's your name? Instead of writing, you should write your name. Oh, see that. So you are not able to understand means is that today take the class in Odia? See that? Should I explain in Odia? Okay. ठीक अच्छी ताले गोटे सेट को हमें दी तीन प्रकार लिख परिबा that is tabular, thread builder and diagrammatic. Tabular form रे केमते लिखिबा सब एलिमेंट लिखा हबे विदिन ए पेयर ऑफ कर्ली ब्रैकेट गोटे एलिमेंट आ गोटे एलिमेंट थारे कॉमा साइन द्वारा सेपरेटेड हेक रहबो मु एग्जांपल नेली को एग्जांपल ना फर्स्ट जो एग्जांपल नै कि मु रिलेशन तुमको बुझौतली दैट वाज फादरहुड रिलेशन फादरहुड से फादरहुड रिलेशन रे सब नवा पय हमर सेट ए कोन थिला दशरथ जनक हुमायूं पंडु दुर्योधन सेट बी थिला राम सीता अकबर अर्जुन दुर्योधन ताले ताबुलार फॉर्म रे हम केमते लिखिबा दशरथ राम जनक सीता हुमायूं अकबर पंडु अर्जुन एंड धृतराष्ट्र दुर्योधन ताले गोटे सेट को जदि हम सेट बिल्डर फॉर्म रे लिखिबा सेट बिल्डर फॉर्म रे लिखला बेले एलिमेंट मान लिखा जाय कि नहीं जो गोटे लॉ बा गोटे फार्मूला लिखा जाए जो लॉ बा फार्मूला से एलिमेंट को रिप्रेजेंट करे बुझिला कि ताले इठी एलिमेंट मान भीतर कॉमन प्रॉपर्टी कोन अछि ना फर्स्ट कंपोनेंट ऑफ द ऑर्डर पेयर इज द फादर ऑफ द सेकंड कंपोनेंट so r is the set of all xy ordered pairs such that x is the father of y x is the father of y where x belongs to set a and y belongs to set b आमे जदि x belongs to set a y belongs to set b न लिखिबा पृथ्वी रे जेते बाप पु अछंती सेट रहि जिवे बट आम पाखे त केवल 5 जण अछंती दैट्स व्हाई वी हैव टू कन्फाइन that x belongs to set a and y belongs to set b Siddharth, now is it clear to you Siddharth Siddharth write in the chat box is it clear to you ताले हमें दीटा मेथड लिखि देले गोटे रिलेशन को टेबुलर लिखले and this method of representation is known as set builder method okay then come to diagrammatic quickly note करो next page जिबा diagrammatic this is set a सर आपण को नंबर टा टिके देबे तो किछि डाउट क्लियर करी देई थांते कौन डाउट पचारिबो सिद्धार्थ को डाउट हेलो को चैप्टर रे डाउट पचार थान सिद्धार्थ set B the relation is fatherhood relation binomial term हम पढ़ा इन बेटा binomial जतले पढ़ेबा सेतले पचारिबो दशरथ, जनक, पंडु, अकबर, दुर्योधन, the individuals in set A. सेट या प्रीवियस क्लास ହେଇଥିଲା सेट शुभश्री बेटा प्रीवियस क्लास सेट पढ़ा ହେଇଥିଲା राम, अर्जुन, सीता, oh sorry, this is Humayun. राम, अर्जुन, सीता, दुर्योधन, and Akbar. Okay. दशरथ, राम, जनक, सीता, पंडु, अर्जुन, हुमायून, अकबर, धृतराष्ट्र, दुर्योधन. This method of representing a relation is known as diagrammatic representation. So a relation can be represented in three different ways. One is tabular, second is set builder, and third one is diagrammatic. Okay, a relation is nothing, only a set. You know, a set can be represented in two different ways. That is in tabular form and in set builder form. So tabular form, सब element वन को हमें लिखिवा within a pair of curly brackets. In set builder form, instead of writing all the elements न लिखिकरी हमें ଗୋଟେ defining property लिखिवा जो defining property से element को represent करिवे. Apart from that, another method is there that is called diagrammatic. So far, so relation can be represented in three different ways. सर आईटी रो केही क्लास करंतिनि कि एठी सिद्धार्थ आईटी विषय पचारछ कि इनफॉरमेशन टेक्नोलॉजी सिद्धार्थ ना बोधवे इनफॉरमेशन टेक्नोलॉजी दिया जाए नहीं बायोलॉजी दिया जाए एक्चुअली ए क्लास टा के माने एटा बोर्ड पाई नुए एटा फॉर नीट एंड जेई दिस इज कॉल्ड एकेडमिक सपोर्ट प्रोग्राम and this is specific for NEET and JEE. Okay. तमर बोर्ड पाई तम कॉलेज तुमको पढ़ाउथिबो बोर्ड पाई कॉलेज रे पढ़ाउथो तुम को हायर सेकेंडरी स्कूल रे असो सिद्धार्थ ओके ए पर्यंत हम कोन कोन सब डिस्कशन करले व्हाट इज ए रिलेशन देन व्हाट इज टोटल नंबर ऑफ रिलेशंस व्हाट इज लार्जेस्ट रिलेशन और यूनिवर्सल रिलेशन व्हाट इज स्मॉलेस्ट रिलेशन देन हाउ टू रिप्रेजेंट ए रिलेशन राइट आफ्टरनून क्लास तो हुए नहीं बेटा शुभश्री तुमको ये प्रोग्राम विषय जानी ना जानी ना शुभश्री यू आर फ्रॉम व्हिच हायर सेकेंडरी स्कूल एटा तो मॉर्निंग क्लास दिया जाउची तुमर 7:30 to 9 गोटे सेशन रहउची तापर 15 मिनिट्स ब्रेक तापर सेकंड सेशन स्टार्ट होची 9:15 to 10:45 एवं तुम पाकू लिंक जाउ तुम को हायर सेकेंडरी स्कूल रे अछ शुभश्री ओके किछि क्वेश्चन करबा ASHC खत्री बरहमपुर ओके राइट डाउन रिप्रेजेंट the following relations in tabular form. Represent the following relations in tabular form. That means मैं किसी relation बर्तमान set builder form लिखिबी ताकू तुम्हें tabular form रे express करिवो. First one is R subset of Z cross Z. If it is written that R subset of A cross B लिखा है माने हम बुझिबा कोन R is a relation from set to A to set B. R subset of Z cross Z माने R is a relation from set of integers to set of integer. That means an integer is related with another integer. Defined as R is the set of all xy order pair such that x square plus y square is equal to 1. R is the set of all xy order pair such that x square plus y square is equal to 1. Okay. Okay, let me discuss this question. How to write express in the set in tabular form. So we have to choose x and y from the set of integers. Okay, sum of whose squares is equal to 1. So if you take x is equal to 0, then y will be 1 or minus 1. So solution. Now, if you take x is equal to 0, then y is equal to 1. If you take x is equal to 0, then y will be minus 1. Because x square plus y square is equal to 1. If you take x is equal to 1, then y will be 0. If we take x is equal to minus 1, then y is also 0. These are the all possible order pairs. So this is called tabular representation of the relation. Okay? R subset of Z cross Z means R is a relation from set of integers to set of integers defined as R is the set of all xy ordered pairs such that x square plus y square is equal to 1. हमको x और y हमको दीटा इंटीजर अछंती एमती ना बाजे जो मानकर सम स्क्वायर रो सम 1 होतबो तले दीटा कर स्क्वायर रो सम 1 होची माने से केई तो 1 टर अधिक होई परिबेनी क्लियर आइदर 1 हेबे और 0 हेबे और -1 हेबे x is equal to मु 0 नेली x is equal to 0 नेले 0 plus y square 0 plus y square is equal to 1. This implies y square is equal to 1 implies y is equal to plus or minus 1. Okay. তাহলে যদি x is equal to 0 নেবা তাহলে y is equal to 1. If you take x is equal to 0 then y will be minus 1. Similarly, মু y को যদি 0 নেবি x square plus 0 is equal to 1 implies x square is equal to 1 implies x is equal to plus or minus 1. If you take x is equal to 1, then y will be 0. If you take x is equal to -1, then y is equal to 0. These are the only possibilities. Any other possibility? Hope it is clear to you. Did you understand? Simran? Simran बुझा पड़िला कि जो अच्छा मोदी प्रॉब्लम होउची तमे सेट थ्योरी ठीक से पढ़िना बोली ना कोन कहउछ सिमरन? अच्छा आउ किछ एग्जांपल जिबा आउ गोटे क्वेश्चन लेखो let A be the set containing the elements 1 2 3 4 and B be the set containing the elements 1 3 6 9 are subset of A cross B तार गोटे डाउट थिला function ro find the domain of the function f of x is equal to root over of 4x minus x na 4x minus x square which तम क्वेश्चन ठीक अछि त सिद्धार्थ 4x minus x is 3x 4x minus x is 3x 4x minus x or 4x minus x square which one? सिद्धार्थ अच्छा सिद्धार्थ let me know you are from which higher secondary school? 4x minus x whole square root how come it's possible here? Square or square root which one? I'm writing the question f of x is equal to under root 4x minus x square. Is this true? This is the question. Hello? This is the question. Okay. So do you know what is the domain of a function? Domain of a function is the set of the values of the x for which the function f of x is defined. Since square root is there, the function to be defined under root expression should be greater or equal to 0. So 4x minus x square. So domain f in the short form I represent domain like this. Domain f is the set of all x such that 4x minus x square is greater or equal to 0. Okay. And solution of this inequation is the domain 4x minus x square greater or equal to 0 implies x square minus 4x less or equal to 0 x into x minus 4 less or equal to 0. Now take the number line. The critical points are 0 and 4. Apply the sign scheme plus minus plus. Negative region is required. That is 0 to 4. So domain of the function is closed interval 0 to 4. Did you understand, Siddharth? So all these things we will discuss in function chapter. Okay. In the second session from the 9:15 to 10:45, I take your class on function. Okay. Let me complete the relation in the first session. Nine sir, out बुझे देबी डोमेन कहले कौन बुझिबा x रो जो सेही सब वैल्यू गुडा का नबा जो वैल्यू पाई फंक्शन ता डिफाइंड हेतबो डिफाइंड कहले फंक्शन रो वैल्यू एग्जिस्ट करथबो ताले एते एबो सेटा यूनिक वैल्यू हेतबो एटु जति रूट ओवर लागिची रूट ओवर भीतरे जदि कोनसी नेगेटिव क्वांटिटी असला नेगेटिव क्वांटिटी रो स्क्वायर रूट इमेजिनरी क्वांटिटी हेजबो इमेजिनरी क्वांटिटी पाई फंक्शन इज अनडिफाइंड सेट पाई ए फंक्शन डिफाइंड हेबा पाई हेले रूट ओवर भीतरे जो एक्सप्रेशन अछि से पॉजिटिव होबा दरकार कोन लिखले 4x - x स्क्वायर ग्रेटर इक्वल टू 0 तले हमें याकू सॉल्व करे पे बोथ साइड रे माइनस मल्टीप्लाई कर देले माइनस मल्टीप्लाई करले कोन होय ना सिंबल ता चेंज हो जाए ग्रेटर देन इक्वल टू लेस देन इक्वल टू हो जाए तले माइनस मल्टीप्लाई करले केता आसला x स्क्वायर minus 4x less or equal to 0, x into x minus 4 less or equal to 0. So to solve this inequality 0, 4 plus minus plus. Okay. हमको region दरकार negative region is 0 to 4. तमे फंक्शन ठीक से पढ़ी छ कि नहीं मु जाननी सीधा एठी तो एमती एंटरटेन करी हबनी काहे ना मु जो चैप्टर पढ़े आशा नहीं छी मु सही चैप्टर पढ़ेबे एठी तुमके यदि बहुत डिफिकल्टीज अछि एंड यू वांट टू टेक द हेल्प फ्रॉम मी नोट माय नंबर ओके बट नंबर दिया जिबा कथा नुए एटा हमर प्रोविजन नाही तुम यदि बहुत डाउट पचार छ तो मत सेपरेटली पचार परबो मो नंबर नै कि ओके सो come to the question. Let A be the set 1 2 3 4, B be the set 1 3 6 9. R subset of F set diyachi, B set diyachi, and it is given that R subset of A plus B, that means R is a relation from A to B, defined as केमती से relation को define कराइछि R is the set of all xy ordered pair such that x plus y is divisible by 5. X plus y is divisible by 5. ମୁଁ क्वेश्चन ना तुमको आउट के भलरे बुझाई दोछि हमें रिलेशन डिफाइन कले ए सेट रु बी सेट को तमने ए सेट रो एलिमेंट बी सेट रो एलिमेंट सहित रिलेटेड हेबे रिलेशन कोई कंडीशन कहला x y x टनी आज ए सेट रो y will be taken from set b in such a that जो x y a सेट रो नबो y b सेट रो नबो सेमानकर सम का 5 द्वारा डिविजिबल होतबो ओके then write all possible ordered pairs taking first element from set a second element from set b such that their sum is divisible by 5. Yes, yes. Quickly answer this question. So if you take x as 1, 1 plus 1 is not divisible by 5, 1 plus 3 is not divisible by 5, 1 plus 6 is not divisible by 5, 1 plus 9 is divisible by 5, 1 plus 9 is equal to 10. So 1 9 belongs to the relation set R. Similarly, 2 plus 1 is not divisible by 5, 2 plus 3 is divisible by 5, 2 plus 3 is 5, 2 plus 6 8, 2 plus 9 11, 3 plus 1 is not divisible, 3 plus 3 is not divisible by 5, 3 plus 6, no, 3 plus 9, 4 plus 1 is divisible by 5, 4 plus 3 is not divisible by 5, 4 plus 6 is divisible by 5. These are the only possibilities. So, in tabular form, this relation is written as 19234146. Is it clear? Please write in the chat box, is it clear? Subhasri, Simran, Pratisha. I think Pratisha was present in my last class when I was taking class on set theory. Okay. Then come to another question. Let A be the set containing the elements 1, 3, 5, 6, 8, and B be the set containing the elements 2, 3, then 9, 8, 9. Okay. R is a relation from set A to set B defined as R is the set of all XY ordered pairs such that X by Y is a power of 3. से कौन पहले रिलेशन ए रु बी को ए सेट रु हम एक्स सिलेक्ट करिया बी सेट रु वाई सिलेक्ट करिवा जेमति कि तांकर कोन हम कोन कह एक्स बाय वाई टाकू एक्स को वाई रे डिवाइड कले जो क्वोशेंट आसुथिबो से क्वोशेंट ता 3 रा पावर रे एक्सप्रेस हे परथबो सपोज एक्स बाय वाई असला 9 9 कैन बी रिटन एज 3 टू द पावर 2 तले सेही भलिया ऑर्डर पेयर को चूज करियार अछि taking elements from X and Y. Pratisha, try to solve this question. Solve it and send me the answer. One three, 1933, yes 39, 6288. Good. One three, 19, yes 13193339, 6288. Good, Pratisha. 1319 then 3, 3, 3, 9, 5, no, 6, 2, then 8, 9, 8, 8. Okay. Then next question. Let A be the set 1, 3, 5, 6, 8. B be the set 2, 3, 8, 9. R subset of A plus B defined as R is the set of all XY ordered pair such that X divides Y. X divides Y. Okay. Quickly answer this question. Send me the answer. Answer Asila, good way. Sandeep, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 8, 1, 9. 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 8, 1, 9, good. Then 3, 3, yes. 3, 9, good. Then 8, 8. Yes. You are correct, Sandeep. One, 2, 1, 3, 1, 8. 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 8, 1, 9, 3, 3, 3, 9, 8, 8. Yes, Pratisha, you are correct. 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 8, 1, 9, then 3, 3, 3, 9, 8, 8. Okay. Then come to domain and range of relation. Domain and range of relation. domain and range of a relation. What do you mean by domain and range? Write down. Domain of a relation is the set of left constituents of the ordered pairs belong to the relation set. Those belong to the relation set. ବୁଝି ହଉଛି କି आर गोटे सपोज आर गोटे रिलेशन सेट नेले ए अल्फा बी बीटा सी गामा डी डेल्टा. Okay, suppose a relation contains the ordered pairs a alpha b beta c gamma d delta. So domain of the relation R, domain is written as DON short form. Domain of the relation R is equal to a set of left constituents of the ordered pairs, that is A, B, C, D. Okay, this is domain, and the range is the set of right elements of the ordered pairs. Range is the set of right elements of the ordered pairs. And the range is the set of right elements of the ordered pairs. Range R is equal to alpha, beta, gamma, delta. I hope it is clear to you. बुझेला प्रतीशा, सिमरन, then come to inverse of a relation. Your second session is from 9:15 to 10:45, and that is a very, very important session. In second session, I will discuss function. Okay. So write down inverse of relation. Inverse of a relation. Let R be a relation from set A let R be a relation from set A to set B. Let R be a relation from set A to set B. Then the inverse of relation R is denoted by written as like this R inverse. R inverse doesn't mean 1 by R. Most of the students do the silly mistake that R inverse means 1 by R. This is not 1 by R. Okay. And defined by R inverse is the set of all Yx ordered pair such that XY ordered pair belongs to R. Clear? Suppose R be a relation which contain the ordered pairs AX, BY, CZ. AX, BY, CZ. So R inverse contains XA, YB, ZC. Clear? That means this is suppose set A, this is set B. If R is a relation from set A to set B, then R inverse is a relation from set B to set A. If X is related to Y by the relation R, then Y is related to X by the relation R inverse. Okay. Write down a note point. Domain of relation R is equal to range of relation R inverse, and the range of relation R is equal to domain of relation R inverse. Domain R is equal to range R inverse, and range R is equal to domain R inverse. Domain R is equal to range R inverse, and range R is equal to domain R inverse. So रिलेशन तो कंप्लीट कर देली प्रतीशा सिमरन पुण्य सो सेकंड सेशन बहुत इंपोर्टेंट रहेबो 9:15 to 10:45 exactly not 10:45 it will continue up to 10:30 okay बहुत इंपोर्टेंट सेशन फंक्शन स्टार्ट करिया फंक्शन इज वेरी इंपोर्टेंट तेणु से क्लास जमा मिस करबनी तुम समस्त जॉइन करबो से क्लास पे ओके सो मुझे रिलेशन कंप्लीट कर देली रिलेशन इज ओवर हमें स्टार्ट करिया फंक्शन एक्जाक्टली एट 9:15 हैला यदि तुम्हें तुमर ब्रेकफास्ट न करछो ब्रेकफास्ट कर जाओ 9:15 रे आसिक जॉइन करो 9:15 रे हमें स्टार्ट करबा फंक्शन